Hi guys, it's April and I garden down in southeast Nebraska, zone 6A, formerly 5B. Probably just gonna start saying I just garden. I just garden. It is time to start thinking about putting garlic in the ground, at least for where I'm at. I have 3 different kinds of garlic. I have the German extra hardy, I've got the German red, and then I have the music. I'm just gonna divide this bed into thirds and then just start pushing down garlic cloves. The thing is, I'm doing this in between rain, which is kind of hilarious because we haven't had rain for the longest time, and then for the last, I don't know how many days, we've just been continuous rain, which is interesting. I do have some biotone that I'm gonna also sprinkle on the bed, but that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put biotone down, I'm gonna push the cloves in, I'm gonna recover them up, and then I'm going to probably have 6 months before I even see any of them starting to come up. But it's time to start the 2025 garden. So I have this whole 3 foot by 3 foot spot filled, and I have probably half of the garlic still left to do. I have to decide if I want to find another patch to put this in, or if this is just the amount of garlic that I want to grow for next year. The thing is, I only have the bed behind me and the bed you're sitting on cleared out for the season, and that's where the peppers were this year. I do have the one bed where I grew garlic this season, but I don't think I want to put garlic back in there since I already did garlic there. And do I need more garlic? I mean, it might not hurt. I could use half of that bed for garlic. Or I could just do some chaos sowing of garlic. And everything that I have left in here, just kind of toss in that bed. And put soil on top of. Because that's the other thing. This bed I topped up. I added some more compost and all of that, but I haven't done that to the other beds. So they're not ready yet. Maybe I'll just save this garlic and give away to some other people who I know are going to be gardening next season. We're also starting to get some raindrops, so I should probably call it for today, which is why I did not water this in. The soil is very wet as it is. I mean, my gloves are a mess. And I need to get inside, and you need to get inside. So that's basically all I do for garlic, is I just top it up with biotone. I shove the cloves in, and then I keep an eye on the weather. And if we don't get a lot of snow and we're not getting a lot of moisture, maybe once a month or so I'll water this, at least until the spring, and then nature will take its course. But otherwise, garlic is very low maintenance until it starts growing and you have to fertilize it every so often. But here's to hoping that all of this grows and we have a good harvest of garlic this next year. So if you want to see how the 2025 garden continues to go, there are a few things I think I might want to add into the garden before the season starts. So that might be happening. So you can look for that. But if you want to follow me on the journey of the 2025 garden, subscribe down below, hit the bell, do all the things to get all of the notifications. I also have an Instagram and Threads account in case you want to follow me over there as well. But otherwise, I hope I will see you again in another video in A Heart to Beautiful Faces. Bye.